I spent 2 years cleaning tables at McDonald's for minimum wage, and today I make $18,000 a month and I work less than I did back then. And I need to tell you the truth about what actually changed, because it's not what you think. When I was at McDonald's, I thought that rich people knew something that I didn't, some secret and some skill that I had never have. And then I realized the truth. They don't know some secret, they just started before I did. And they didn't quit when it got boring. So the thing standing between you and the life that you want isn't intelligence and it isn't money. It's that you just keep waiting to feel ready. And ready never comes. I wasn't ready, I just started anyway. And here's what actually makes me angry. So there are people watching this right now who are smarter than me and more talented than me, who are still broke for the next 10 years. And it's not because that they can't do it, it's because they'll keep on scrolling and they'll keep researching and they'll keep waiting for the perfect moment that does not exist. Meanwhile, some 20-year-old with half their talent who just started is going to pass them completely. And it's going to feel very unfair. But it's not unfair. It's just that one person moved and the other one waited. The tools have never been cheaper because AI does the hard part, and the only thing left is whether you actually begin or not. So, if you're sitting there feeling stuck, I need you to hear this from someone who was flipping burgers and putting fries in the bag. So, you're not behind, you're not too late, you just haven't started yet. And that is the only thing that you have to fix. So the exact system that I use to sell websites to small businesses is in the description. You can go take it or don't. Just do something and start today instead of someday. And remember to like and subscribe and comment. And my name is Sales Alum, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.